Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, sorry I haven't been on in like a month. Whoops. Your girl's been slacking. So, also, sorry about what I'm wearing. I literally just got home from work probably about 2 hours ago. It's like 11 o'clock right now. So, your girl's pretty tired too, so... Love that for me. Anyways, I wanted to jump right into the video and I wanted to let y'all know what my idea for this video was. I wanted to do something like, you know, let's say you're going to a Halloween party. I wanted to do something that's very simple, you know, something that's, you know, you can do literally in 7 to 10 minutes. There is a subscribe button down there that you can hit so you can be part of the family I'm creating here, whatever you want to call what I'm doing right now. Leave some comments and, you know, let me know what you think, you know, you would all want it to be called, you know, just something cute. Yeah. Okay, so you all are pretty up close and personal right now. Like, I'm pretty sure you could probably see every pore I have right now, so hope you'll enjoy that. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to do that. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and oh my god, I really can't get this open. That's a problem, guys. And if you're asking right now if I have mascara on, you would be right, but that's okay. We're just gonna pretend it's not even there. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This shade right here. I have no idea what this name is, so you could do windshield wiper motions, anything to get the color distributed onto the crease, girl. Next, we're going to go in with a deeper shade, I guess you could say. And, oh my god. God, why me? What did I do to start this? Okay, back. God, it's probably just messing my freaking palette. Okay, like I was saying, I'm going to go in a shade deeper, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And then I'm going to focus this more outside on the outer V right here. However you want to distribute the product, girl, by all means, do you. Oh my god, what kind of brush am I? I didn't even tell you the brush I was using. This is a Wet n Wild blending brush. I got it for Christmas last year, and it's basically what I've been using. Next, I'm going to go in with a packing brush, something to pack on a even darker shade on the lid. Okay. Right here in the middle. God, oh. Did you ever feel like nothing's coming onto the brush when you probably know what it is? That's probably how I feel right now. So I'm just going to pack that right here. Blending out the edges with that as well. I guess I could just use the other blending brush that we used for the transition shade. I'm going to pack black. This is the look I had in mind. Probably don't even look Halloween, to be honest, but it's okay. It's okay. Just living my best life here. Where is that brush? Am I literally losing my mind right now? Now is I'm going to take the shade right here, this black. Show you how to experience that. Show you how to experience that too. Okay, it's almost like I'm gonna put it on the whole lid, I guess you could say. so sorry you have to see the faces I'm making. It's probably a disturbance. I'm going to take some more of that product and just pack more on. Because I need full intensity, girl. Taking the at the end of the brush and blending it almost trying to fade it into the crease a little bit. And I'm going to take that initial transition shade right here. Yeah. And just go over the edges a little bit.
Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think is what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could.
Okay, so I decided to do something like under the eye. I wasn't going to at first. I don't know why, but I decided to do something. So this is a eye pencil pitch black. This is by the Color Workshop. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the shade right here, this orange sparkly.
My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, to me. So much differently.
I am actually going to do some liner, like on the lid. God help me, please. Ooh. Oh God, I think I'm making it worse. Anyway, guys, this is the finished look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. I really hope y'all learned something too from this. I just wanted this to be something you can do, something simple, something you could probably do if you were really in a hurry in about 10 to 15 minutes. This is personally probably what I would do. Just something to do if you're going to a Halloween party, whatever you wanted to do, something for Halloween, I guess. But I'm going to bed. Pretty sleepy right now. It's probably 12 o'clock. Love that for me. Anyways, y'all, once again, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, if you want to see more future videos like this today, then subscribe. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys. Back again, y'all thought. Also, everything I used in this video today will be linked in the description box. Okay, for real this time.